County Judge and I will be issuing new orders. Still maintains the stay home, work safe structure that is both in our orders and in the governor's orders. Really, the only change is we have now included the reopened businesses that the governor had included as exceptions to the general stay home, work safe issue. At this point in the process, the governor, sooner than I would have liked and more quickly than I would like, is increasing the number of social and commercial interactions. When that happens, there will be an increase in the spread of the virus. There will be increased hospitalizations. Our purpose right now is to try and do everything we can to prevent a surge in our hospitals at a level that we're not able to deal with. We're going to do that three different ways. We're going to continue to emphasize the behaviors that we hope and trust that this community is going to follow: the 6-foot distancing, no big groups, staying at home where you can, wearing the face coverings. We're also going to do that by continuing to amp up the testing in our communities and by amping up the contact tracing that we do. We're going to need everybody's help with that. As we know, the governor said that we couldn't enforce face coverings with a criminal or civil penalty in the city order. It's still mandatory. The penalty now is that more people will get sick and some of them will die if we're not wearing face masks. That ought to be penalty enough. Again, I would just remind everybody that this virus is as infectious today as it was a month ago. It spreads quickly. Everybody should be minimizing physical interactions absolutely as much as they possibly can as we dip our toe back into increased commercial and social interactions. That's what this order does, is it tries to encourage everybody to remember the overarching message now is to still stay home and work safe to the fullest extent possible.